devil in disguise.
Hey, what's up people, it's your boy Vijay here, back again with another video. So, how you guys are doing? So, we are back again with this video. So, in this video, I will show you how to use PHP and make a website and print some stuff. So, not just with HTML, but we will use PHP and we will fire up a localhost service. So, let's see what we will need. First, we will need a localhost service, that is I will use Xampp, the Xampp app. I have also shown the installation in the another video. You can see on the top right corner. I will link that up. And another is as a text editor. You can use anything: Sublime, Atom, brackets, VS Code, etc. And another thing is a normal browser. You just need to print your website on your browser. Yeah, so that's it. First, let's head up and search for Xampp and fire it up. So yeah, we have fired up the Xampp. So let's start our localhost. First, start Apache, and then SQL is not needed. Let's start that too. So we have started the Xampp and created the localhost. Now we need a text editor. I will use Sublime Text 3. So we have to fire up the text editor, and now we will write code. First we need to just save the file. So we will save the file in htdocs folder. That is, you need to go to C, then Xampp, then htdocs, and here you need to save your file. So I will give it a name as printweb.php. printweb.php. Let's save this file. You need to save the file as PHP as we are using PHP. So then we need to first write the PHP code. Let's first write the HTML part. So as a normal, you have seen how to write the HTML code. I will use the Sublime Power, that is the HTML plus tab, and it will give up the layout of the HTML brackets and close. So I will give the as sample PHP web page, and in the body part I will use a h1 tag, and I will write this is a HTML text. This is a HTML text. Also, let us use a paragraph. This is also HTML text. Okay. So yeah, this is up to where you can see it is correct. So let's first run it up to this part, and let's check that if it is running or not. So to run the PHP file onto your browser, you just don't double click on it. You just go for, you can also double click on the file, but you just go for localhost / file name, and the file name is here. What I have given, that is print web, and here you can see that on localhost this is running. So this is a HTML text, and this is a HTML text. So let's go for Sublime, and this is a HTML h1 text and h1p text. Okay, so let's refresh this part up. Yeah, this is okay, fine, running. So now we will add the PHP part. So where do we put the PHP part? So there is a rule that don't put the PHP part down below of your HTML, just put the PHP part above your HTML part. So we will go here, press enter, move it down and write here PHP part. So we will write bracket PHP and then you can see the class changes as because I haven't closed the PHP tag. Now I have closed the PHP tag and I will write here print. It is basically the same as the using the bash or the JavaScript, etc. It is a server-side language, so you need to use echo. So echo will print up here and I will write this is a PHP text. So okay, so save this file, go to browser, refresh up, and you can see this is a PHP text. So yeah, you can print up to this part. And now let us choose a different type. We will use a number. We will add two numbers. So how to define a variable? So to define a variable, write dollar sign above the variable name, give it equal to as a normal program, give it a number. You can also take user input, but I will do it on another video. So this video is up to the short part, how to print, and I will show you how the addition goes on. So yeah, you can see I have taken the number 10 and 15 as $x and $y. So as simple it is, I will use dollar another one, that is s, and I will take it as that represents up to sum. So I will take and then add $x plus $y. It will get stored in s, and I will now print echo, not string, sum and comma and the variable, comma and dollar variable name, that is s. So it will get stored. So 10 plus 15 is 25. I hope it shows up 25. So let's see, let's give it a here and a space. Go to browser, reload this up, text and sum is equal to 25. It is showing. So yeah, here you can see the file is running. You can see the sum is 25, and you can also print the HTML part. You can also do calculations with the PHP part. So because HTML doesn't have a brain, like it cannot do anything of its own, it just show what you type, it just prints that part. It doesn't have a brain to take the number, do the reading, do any kind of responsive work. So to make your website responsive, you need to have a server-side language, that is PHP, and a client-side language, JavaScript, to make your website talk to the server and do the rest of the work. So yeah, that is the work of PHP. And yeah, it is not yet I know it is old, but it is not yet extant. So we people are still using PHP, and there is a lot of job markets in PHP. So yeah, that was in this video. Hope you like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And we are I see pretty much that people you see videos but you don't subscribe. It keeps me motivated if you subscribe to this channel, and I can make videos for much more audience. So yeah, and the next video will be I will show up a form where I will take the input from the user and print it as a perfect way HTML and PHP website where the user will give the input and will generate output. So yeah, that what is in video. Bye bye, see ya, peace.